Alright, this is a little bit ludicrous. It came express for $137. Let's open up this package and see what's inside. I see a PlayStation 5 in here. Let's...
Here you go. It has the special shell on the outside for the vent. That's cool. Alright, so I powered it on here and it powers on just fine. I read the ticket. He is experiencing a problem where it's intermittent and it fails after a few minutes of play. Here at TDR, we don't do intermittent issues. If it's not fully dead, I don't really like to work on it because it's usually a waste of time. However, for this specific case where your system is failing sometimes when you're playing PlayStation 5's games, there's two things that we're going to do. We're going to do a deep clean and respread of the thermal paste, the liquid metal, and we're going to try to change the power supply on this. And those are the only two things that you can do, and we do them blindly if you're going to pay for it. So let's take this thing apart and see if we see any problems with the liquid metal. Oh damn, right away I opened it up and I see it's a little bit dirty. I think the problem is dirt here. Let's clean it. Alright, this dust is not so bad, but on the inside here, it's a little cake. We're almost down to the heatsink here. We just gotta remove all these screws and take this thing out. Oh, here it is. That's the money shot. It's caked. Even the power supply is caked. And if the power supply is caked, that would happen. So, yeah, let's clean this up. Okay, I got this heatsink nice and clean. Let's remove the motherboard from the heatsink and check out the liquid metal. Yeah, here it is. Huge dry spot right there. That would cause it. Same right there. Alright, with our black Q-tips right here, we got rid of. The heatsink one takes a little bit longer and it's a little bit more annoying, but let's do it. Alright, that looks a little bit better here. All we gotta do now is put it back together the way it came. I Q-tip this fan over here. That's the best I can do. It's non-cosmetic, but now it's clean. Alright, I put it all together here. Let's go. Alright, I plugged it up here. Let's test it. It still powers on. That's a good sign. And yeah, we have it here. So, in order for you to prevent yourself from having this issue, you need to go ahead and clean your system every 3 months. What you need to do is to get a can of compressed air and just spray the vents every 3 months so that it doesn't build up. And that way your liquid metal will stay fresh. However, if your liquid metal is not fresh, I get these in packs of 180 from Japan. These are the Daiso Industries Co-Limited. There you go. They just produce less lint when you're working with the liquid metal. It's the best that we got today, and I don't think it's perfect, but it does work.